What's going on YouTube? It is your boy Brandon or Dagger coming at you guys with a brand new video. Today is part 3 to the Type R rebuild series. I'm heading to there right now, which is gonna be about an hour drive, so we'll see you over there a little bit. I know in the last video I said I was gonna go to the shop and kind of show you guys a little bit. I did go to the shop, but I didn't bring my camera with me because I wanted to kind of save it all for this video. So we're heading over there right now, so give me about like an hour or so and we'll be over there. Just pulled up after an hour and like 20-minute drive. My legs are roasted, bro. Reminds me of my SI days. Let's go inside. Finally back in the shop. We had to take a little break, but we got the head back. It's fully clean. Like, they cleaned everything, they machined it. It's even now. I mean, if you guys remember last time, it was kind of like, you want to do it with your hands, like how it was? It was like indented, yeah, like in the middle.
Kinda, yeah, it was, like, the middle part right here was in there.
So they smoothed it all out, everything's good. They cleaned all the ports and everything, which is on the other side. Hopefully everything goes on smoothly, no problem, no issues. I don't think we should have any. I think it should be just fine.
New gasket right here.
Yeah, the new gasket is on, fits perfectly. I'm excited. I've been itching to drive this car because it's been like, what, 2 weeks I think? So I've been like, huh? I think it has. I don't know. Yeah. So no, since you've been here, yeah, or since it's been here, but I haven't been driving this car, and it just, I just want to drive it again. I miss driving it. That's what I'm excited about. So we're gonna get started on putting it back together, and hopefully everything does go on smooth. So that's what we're gonna start with right now. Head stud, lubing her up, you know what I'm saying? You always gotta lube up the head.
So we're just gonna be lubricating with some Torco oil. It's like a bottle I had open, but I just want to lubricate all the threads on this before installing. We don't want anything to happen prior, so get the threads nice and clean, lubricate it, and then I'm gonna insert it into this hole here, and then we'll start doing the sequence to tighten everything up.
Get her going. So the head is on now, torqued everything down. Pretty much the rest of the rebuild, I guess you can say, is putting just everything back on, getting it started, and seeing if it starts. Which I don't think we should really have a problem with, huh?
No, I mean, the only thing is, like, obviously we do know that the head is like warped, but they try to get it as, like, obviously as close as possible. So if there is like a factor, it's probably going to be somewhere in the head. If something does happen, like, let's say we lose, like, we're getting a coolant through a cylinder, or like obviously the car is boggy, like the same way like a head gasket would be lifted.
Yeah.
It could possibly just be like the frame is either like it's like there's too much material that's already gone that we can't like go past it. But I mean, it's not past the indicator, so we shouldn't have really have that problem. But I mean, it's just about being optimistic, you know. We could always redo it. It's not really a big deal, but it's just like, you know, it kind of sucks when you have to wait longer and longer. But at this point, yeah, heads on, fresh ports. So this is probably the healthiest it's gonna be in a while. I mean, obviously compared to it being new. And then I'm gonna put all the accessories back on: the water pump, the turbo, the injectors. Basically, this whole area has to go back on. The manifold. And then I'll do the timing at the end. And you guys probably won't see that part. That part's kind of intricate and kind of takes forever. So I'll do that by myself. And then, yeah, we just come back and hopefully it turns on that day, you know?
Yeah. So we'll be coming back in a couple days, or who knows how long it's going to take to get it all done. But this is pretty much where we're going to end this part of this video. We're pretty much got everything on. For the one dude who said about the turbo stud, eat my ass. Okay, we got something on there that works. But everything is all on. We're pretty much going to leave it here and then come back tomorrow and finish it all up. So hopefully the ending part of this video, the second half, the car will be running finally. I'm excited to get this thing driving, and hopefully it turns on no problem. What do you think?
Hope so. We gotta get to the experience.
Yeah, we gotta get to the show. That's the number one thing we're really hoping for, is to get it to the show. If it doesn't work, then we gotta react fast and spend some money. You guys better cop the new shirts that are dropping tomorrow. Or when this video drops, I think it'll be live. I don't know. Shirts will be live. It'll be in the link down in the description. But if you guys want to help support the build and help me fix it, you guys can go cop some drip. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. But we're pretty much gonna end it here. Everything is pretty much going on smoothly, so I don't think we should have a problem at all.
We should catch you guys at the experience. It's gonna be in Bakersfield. Use code BCD if you guys want to buy a ticket and your general admission or your car show. Hopefully you guys see this car, you see our Accord, you will see our SI, especially our Accord, because we got some stuff that we want to prove to the world. I'm excited to see that too. Yeah, so hopefully we are going to be the new record holders, and it's going to be technically the fastest Accord in the world. Sheesh. Making how much? So on the Mustang Dyno made 443, but if you do the calculation, any of you guys want to do it, you know how much it made. So yeah, I'm excited to see that on the course as well. I've never seen an Accord drag, and to be the fastest Accord, that's going to be pretty cool. I just zoomed in. And it's a manual. Hard to find. Yeah, catch us there. We'll be there. The Team VCD will be there. It'll be Saturday, May 7th. Go cop your tickets. Like I said, we'll be out there having a lot of fun. Hope you guys come up to us and say what's up. It is a couple days from the last clip that you guys have seen. I was going to make it on one video where we start the car and everything, but I have a couple of announcements to make that I wanted to get up before we get the car started. So, this thing will shut up. I wanted to let you guys know that the new shirts are live on the website right now. These are embroidered. We have 4 different colors. We have a white and green, brown and off-white, white and black, and then black and white. Go in the link down in the description. It's gonna be the very first link. Go copy your sizes. I only got a limited quantity in the first batch, but we keep selling them. I'll keep restocking them and everything. But it would mean a lot to me if you guys go and cop it. And go cop yourself some drip from Lost Minds. It is my brand, so yeah, it would mean a lot to me. So just kind of give you guys a little summary of what's going on with the Type R. The head is back from the shop. We put it on the vehicle already. We're starting to put everything back on. The next video you guys will see, it will basically be like the car basically already starting. We're hoping that it starts up no problem, because that's what we want, right? We want no problems. So the next video you guys will see, the car will be started with no issues, hopefully, and they'll get everything running. But yeah, we got the head back, his machine, it's clean. We threw it on there already, so he just has to do a couple things like the timing and put some things back away. But pretty much the car is almost ready to go, so I'm excited for it. I can't wait to be driving it again, because I miss the Type R. The SI is nice, don't get me wrong, but the Type R, you can't go wrong with it. It's a fun car, so I can't wait to get that back in my hands. Also, on May 7th, we are going to a show in Bakersfield, California. It's called The Experience. I hope to see you guys there. Use code DAGGER to save some money. We'll be out there having some fun. Hope to see a lot of you guys out there. A lot of 11 gens. Hopefully there's a lot of 10 gens. A lot of people. They are going to have a dyno out there, and I'm really interested to see how the Type R is going to do. If we get the Type R home and in on time, I want to actually put it on the dyno out there and see what kind of numbers the Type R is running, because I'm really curious to see what it's going to run, to be honest with you. I wanted to get it dynoed, but someone told me that they're going to have it out there, and I'm really interested to see how it's going to do. So if you guys are going out there, the Type R will be on the dyno. I want to see how much it's going to make. Yeah, we're going to be out there having a lot of fun. There's a lot of giveaways going on and everything, so we'll be out there. The TVC will be out there. We'll be all having some fun. Hope to see you guys out there as well. So like I said, the next video you guys will see will be out. The car will be home, and we'll be able to drive it home. So yeah, that's pretty much gonna be it for the video. If you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. Make sure you guys hit the like button. You guys have been absolutely killing the videos, and I can't thank you guys enough. I mean, you guys are just going crazy on the videos, so we're having a lot of fun with it right now. This will be going up the same day you guys see this part. So just because I wanted to announce the shirts and get them up for you guys. But like I said, just go cop them down below. We got more designs coming out. Like, I got some fire stuff that I want to put out, so I hope you guys are ready for that, and go cop it, because when you guys cop the shirts, it helps with the brand and recycles, and it goes into the cars, and we can build some dope cars for you guys. So I'm excited. I don't know if you guys are, but I'm excited. So go cop your shirts, go cop your tickets to the show as well, and I hope to see you guys, a lot of you guys out there. So if you guys are brand new here, make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are brand new.
thank you guys so much for the love and support. Seriously, it really means a lot to me. We're going really fast. We're going at a consistent speed, and I can't thank you guys enough. So let's have another banger month. Last month was a banger. Let's have a good one this month as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys have not already. I'll see you guys in the next video. Dab. Peace.